Hello, I'm Seshu Madhavapedi, General Manager of the Smartphone Business Line at Texas Instruments. And today I would like to discuss with you how TI is approaching the smartphone market with our OMAP application processors. Mobile phones are going through a revolutionary change. Just a few years ago, all you could do with these devices was make phone calls. But now, they are offering far greater functionality. They have become the easiest way for us to read email, surf the web, social network, take pictures, shoot and watch video, and even receive turn-by-turn directions. It is far more than just making phone calls. All this new functionality, not surprisingly, has led to a dramatic change in how these phones are built. In the old basic mobile phones, the radio baseband modem was the centerpiece of the phone because all they could do was make phone calls. In the new smartphones, the heart of the phone is a discrete application processor and the software that runs on it. The radio baseband modem is still needed to connect to the network, but now it becomes just an adjunct to the application processor. Here are two recently released iconic smartphones, the Palm Pre and the Motorola Droid. Both embrace this new architecture of a discrete application processor connected to an adjunct baseband modem. Both use the industry-leading OMAP discrete application processor from TI. The smartphone market could also be addressed by simply offering more intelligent baseband modems. But at TI, we advocate the discrete application processor approach. Let me explain why. The innovation rates for the modem and the application processor are very different. The modem performance tends to grow at a discrete rate and is governed by advances in wireless network infrastructure capabilities, while application processor innovation rates are exponential. By decoupling the modem and the application processor, a product roadmap is no longer limited to a much slower innovation rate of the modem. Currently, discrete application processors such as OMAP processors from TI show about a 10-month time-to-market feature advantage over integrated solution designs, all due to the easier design and reuse made possible with discrete parts. Having a split architecture also enables mobile phone designers to quickly address multiple market segments while optimizing their development resources. Software only needs to be developed once for the application processor, which can then be integrated with a multitude of different modem technologies such as UMTS, CDMA, TD-SCDMA, HSPA, or LTE. This capability to reuse software makes it easier and faster to scale a product across multiple geographies and cellular standards, move from one generation of a product to the next, and makes it easier to bring the best radio technology to the market faster. There's open source software. The essential patent and IP licensing issues related to modem technology are very well known and significant. With a discrete application processor, we are able to provide a more open technology and directly involve the open source community in software development. With broader open source software, the discrete application processor solutions accelerate the innovation of new smartphones. A discrete application processor-based split architecture also allows for multi-sourcing of parts, giving mobile device manufacturers a cost-competitive solution that is easy to design with. In summary, a discrete application processor solution enables a faster rate of innovation, increased software reuse, better open source capability, and greater flexibility. TI is leading the discrete application processor market with its OMAP application processor family. TI OMAP provides the optimal mix of performance and power-sensitive technologies and software solutions, making it the application processor of choice for mobile device manufacturers. OMAP application processors are at the forefront of the smartphone revolution. For more information on TI's OMAP family of application processors, please visit ti.com/OMAP. Thank you very much.